Welcome back to Crypto Intel, the channel where we break down the crypto market with clear analysis, real insights, and the latest developments shaping the future of digital finance. Right now, there's a question that doesn't get asked enough. What if smart money is already moving into HBAR, and most people don't even see it? Because in crypto, by the time something becomes obvious, it's already too late. The biggest moves don't start when everyone is excited. They start when almost no one is paying attention. So today we're going to break everything down. We'll talk about what smart money actually means, how it behaves, what signals it leaves behind, and whether HBAR is currently showing signs of accumulation. And if you enjoy crypto analysis, market insights, and deep dives into promising blockchain projects, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Intel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Let's start with something important. Smart money is not about a specific group. It's a concept. It refers to participants who move early, who act before trends form, who position themselves before attention arrives. And the key difference, they don't chase moves, they prepare for them. Now here's the interesting part. Smart money doesn't announce itself. It doesn't create hype. It doesn't attract attention. Instead, it operates quietly, through behavior, through structure, through timing. Now let's talk about what that looks like. When smart money accumulates, price doesn't explode. It stabilizes. It moves in a controlled range. Volatility decreases. And from the outside, it looks boring, uninteresting, even weak, but internally, something is happening. Positions are being built. Now let's connect this to HBAR. Right now, HBAR is not in a strong uptrend. It's not dominating headlines. It's not attracting massive retail attention. And that's exactly what makes this interesting, because historically, the biggest opportunities appear in these phases, not when the market is loud, but when it's quiet. Now, does this mean smart money is definitely buying HBAR? No, but there are signals worth paying attention to. First, stability. If price holds levels despite uncertainty, it can indicate underlying demand. Second, structure. Controlled movement often reflects accumulation. Third, sentiment. Low hype and low excitement can create the conditions for early positioning. Now let's talk about why this matters. Because once smart money finishes positioning, the next phase begins. Expansion. This is where price starts moving. This is where momentum builds. This is where attention returns. And this is where most people enter. But by that time, a large part of the move may already be gone. Now let's talk about the two scenarios. Scenario 1, accumulation is happening. If that's the case, then current conditions are part of a setup that leads to a stronger move later. And when that move begins, it can happen quickly, because once attention returns, everything accelerates. Scenario 2, no accumulation, and the market continues to move sideways or downward. This is always possible, and that's why confirmation matters. Now let's bring fundamentals into the picture. Hedera is positioned as infrastructure for real-world applications. It uses hash graph, offering speed, efficiency, and scalability. And while fundamentals don't drive short-term moves, they support long-term narratives. If that narrative strengthens, it can attract capital. Now, let's talk about psychology, because this is where most investors struggle. They want confirmation, they want proof, they want to feel safe, but the market rarely rewards comfort. It rewards awareness. Awareness of phases, awareness of behavior, awareness of timing. Now let's bring everything together. We have low attention, controlled price action, potential accumulation behavior, and a project with strong fundamentals. This creates a situation where something may be happening before it becomes obvious. And that's where the idea comes in. What if smart money is already in? Not confirmed, not guaranteed, but possible. And if that possibility becomes reality, the next phase could look very different. In my opinion, HBAR is currently in a phase where the market is quiet. It's not inactive, but quiet. And quiet phases are often where positioning happens. So the real question is, are you early or waiting for confirmation? Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you believe smart money is accumulating HBAR, or is the market still uncertain? And if you enjoyed this breakdown and want more crypto analysis, market insights, and deep dives into promising blockchain projects, don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Intel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.